Well, one of the almost Kiwi icons for lawn care, spraying your lawn, doing things with your lawn, has got to be the Lawnboy. Now, the neat thing about this is the very, very simple little pump that it has on the sprayer. Basically, it's a rubber hose that as you push it along, this wheel squashes the hose and pulls out the liquid from the tank. Now, it is a brilliant, simple little gadget, but you need to get everything right. Now, these Lawnboys are made in New Plymouth, and so they are really Taranaki strong and rugged. Note the black, no amber here yet, but we're working on that one. Now, when you are moving around and going from location to location, so that your pump is disengaged, it's very simple. It just flicks up and rests on this little piece here. Also, when you're storing the sprayer, you need to lift it up there so there's no stress on the areas. But the great thing is, easy to replace. The pump goes wrong and all you've got to get is a length of rubber pipe and put it on. And they're readily available from wherever you buy these. And they're available, garden centres, talk to your local garden centre, they have them to hire and so on as well. And then when you're ready to spray, just bring it over like so, flick it onto here, and I'll just get that right, and the pump is engaged. And as that goes round, that will squeeze it nice and gently, and the liquid will come through. Now, the neat thing about this is that you can use it for spraying your lawn, putting your weed killers on, but also a great opportunity to fertilise your lawn. Make up liquid seaweed mixes, organic mixes, or whatever you want. And something I did forget to mention is that this is also an important aspect of hardware. So these are available in hardware stores, in the farm merchandising stores. So you're exposed to a lot of places you can buy these, and they are something really, I suggest that you should buy one of your own. The other problem is that if you hire them, you don't know what the person before has actually put through it, and you could find yourself in a little bit of a mess. So big thing, own one of these. They're a great gadget. Now, you don't have to really walk fast and rip around to get a nice even spray, but the thing is, get to the end of a run, just pull it backwards, and a little bit of air gets sucked in and stops the drips. Now, as I've said, you can use liquid fertilisers through these, and one of the interesting liquid fertilisers that are around on the market is a product called Thatch Buster. Now, this is a super saturated solution of bacteria that breaks down all that extra grass and so on that gets pushed down below the level of the grass, and then you find that the Thatch Buster breaks it all down so you don't get a lot of the weeds coming through. So that's another step in part of your lawn care. The big thing is, though, if you're using a Lawnboy, work out your pace with some water, how fast that you actually work around, so you know how much spray or chemical you're putting on at a given walking speed. Don't start off with a hiss and a roar and really speed up, because the faster you go, the more that's going to be pumped out, the higher pressure. Start off at a gentle pace, and if you've got 2 acres of lawn, you'll still be going that gentle pace at the end of a exercise with a Lawnboy. As with any chemical equipment that you're using, read the instructions on your chemical before you put it in, and know the size of your container. Lawnboys come in 10 or 20 litre sizes so that you can fill it up to the right line. Don't put that extra bit of chemical in just because you think it's going to work better. The chemical companies have worked out the ultimate amount that is going to be not do too much harm to the environment and do the job that you want. And of course, choose a still day, first thing in the morning. Keep your pets off the lawn if you've sprayed with a hormone, and keep your shoes on for a little while as well. First thing when you finish your spraying is unhook the pump. You need to give everything a good flush out, because a lot of the chemicals you use will work and perish the rubber pump. Remember, this is a pure rubber pump because it's not, that's what gives it a good squashiness. Wash out your tank. Well, really, all that is in the instruction booklet.